Welcome everyone. In this video, we shall see how to import the records of customers, vendor and items. You need to click on GST option and click on Masters. The customers can be added manually using the Add option, but we shall see how to import the records of customers. We have a predefined Excel sheet which you need to download. Here we have already downloaded the Excel sheet and pre-filled with the records. First is the mode option. If not selected, by default it shall be add. If you want, you can select edit and delete the record. Next is the customer code, the customer name, GSTIN number if the customer is registered under GST, PAN number, state, contact person, mobile, email ID, address, city, PIN code and country. Mandatory field shall be customer code, name and country. If at all I enter a wrong details such as the state code for Gujarat is 24. If I enter it as 29, let's see what happens. We click on upload file and select the path of the Excel sheet where it is being saved. Click on upload and click on import. You can see an error message has been populated stating GSTI number and state code is not matching. Now we'll go back to the Excel sheet and rectify the mistake. Now again save the record. Again select the path. Click on upload and import the transaction. Now we have successfully imported. Now we shall go to customer master and check if the transactions have been imported. You can see customer 1, 2, 3 has been imported. Now we shall go for vendor importing. Even here we have a predefined Excel sheet which you need to download. Here we have downloaded it and filled in the details. So again mode shall be add, edit, delete, vendor code, vendor name which is mandatory field, GSTIN number if the vendor is registered under GST, taxpayer type for which we have a drop down. You can select the vendor as normal taxpayer, composition taxpayer or e-commerce operator, PAN number of the vendor, state, contact person name, mobile number, email ID, address, city, PIN code and country. Similarly, you can add n number of vendors with whom you are dealing with. Now we shall import the record. Select the Excel sheet. And click on upload and then import. We have successfully imported. Again we'll go to vendor master and check if the transactions have been imported. Yes, all the transactions that we have entered in Excel sheet has been imported now. Now we'll go for items importing. Again we have an Excel sheet which is predefined. We have to download it. So mode, add, edit, delete. Item group has to be created before entering the records, item code, item name, item nature, for which we have a drop down. It can be a capex goods, opex goods, services, or inventory. Unit of measurement, with, for which we have a number of options. As per your requirement, you can select. If it is a purchase item, you need to click on it. If it is a sale item, we have to click on yes. Then we'll go for default sale rate if it is a sale item, HSN code, the SAC code if the nature is services, and tax rate group can be 0%, 0.25%, 3%, 5%, 18%, 12%, and 28%. Similarly, all the items which are products and services can be imported. So we'll click on upload file, select the Excel sheet, click on upload, and then import. The records have been successfully imported. We'll go to item master and check. So all the item name that we have imported has been reflected in the masters. In the next video, we shall see how to import the transactions of sales and purchase. Thank you.